Hey, how you doing today? It's been about a year since I've looked at grocery prices here in Taiwan. I need to pick up some coffee. These PX Marts are usually your best bet for groceries at a decent price. So let's see how prices compare. Let me know in the comments. Okay, I'll do a quick one here. 69. Okay, I'll put the American prices. That's for oranges. What else do we got here? Give you the basics, not everything. Try some meats over here. Now, canned food from here, that if it's imported, it's going to be more money. But just give you an idea of what's this chicken here. 122. All right. Not too bad. Not too bad. Steaks are a bit more. Let's keep it to the chicken and things like that. Fish, 99. I don't eat fish. Salmon's a bit more, 239. I think that's salmon. All right. They don't have a lot in here right now. Oh, 79. How many grams is that? Is that 225? Canned stuff, especially imported, is a bit more money. So we won't really look at that. You know, Campbell's soup, 59 NT. I'll leave the prices again of American on there. That's imported. It's a little high. Just don't have a lot of selection too. Just the creams mostly. Milk. This is a standard 1 liter, 85. Most people buy 2 liter, right? But by myself, I'll just drink one. You know, just a little less than double. For 2 liters, cheese is always a little expensive here for some reason. It's not as much on their diet, but you know, you can get yourself 100 grams for 150 if you want cheese. That's going to be a bit more here in Asia. And again, when it comes to rice prices, the selection of rice is immense, but just kind of rough ballparking it depending on what type of rice you want. Looks like 1.8, about 2 kilograms. These big slabs are about 169. Some are cheaper, 150-ish, depending on what type of rice you want. You can go super cheap or, yeah, that's the rice. It's Asia, man. It's the rice selection. And noodles, walls of noodles. These are really good, actually. Just add water. I might grab a couple of these. And they're, look, on average about 30 NT, so it's about $1 American. Find one you like. I need coffee. Now, again, I just went for a jog, don't mind me. Yeah, I'm just picking up a few things, and this is super quick. I'm not doing a full thing. Cola, 50 NT, so that's what? $1.50 American. Don't need that. Some things are cheaper. Like you can get, these are good, actually, 155 NT. That's quite a big, what is that? 450 grams. There you go if you want some peanut protein, a little salty. These aren't too bad either. Those are a bit more expensive. Juices are reasonable though. Get yourself here, what's that, about a liter? 1.5 maybe, I don't know, whatever, 92. That's good for apple juice, a little sugary. But I'm here for the coffee. And instant coffee, I'm just going quick. I like this stuff. Cold blend, 250. Yeah, that's my poison right there. Nice and quick. I got a taste for this, which is good. All right, that gives you a quick idea of prices. Super quick. Anyways, that's the daily vlog. I don't want to go over 2 or 3 minutes on these things. Everything else is relatively cheap, you know. This isn't the cheapest place. If you want your meats and all that sort of thing, you'll go to like those little markets. It's not bad here. You just pick up some chicken or something. But again, in Taiwan, it's almost cheaper eating out all the time, you know. It's just for 1 or 2 people. Anyway, quick shot for you. I'm in line. Hey, thanks, man. Yeah, this is the reason I don't buy much food. Something like this is only $6 American with milk. It's cheaper than cooking it. There you go. Give you a few idea of food prices. What I find is like there's so many restaurants here. Just eat out. If you're buying like a breast of chicken and some vegetables, it's going to be about the same as buying it in most cases. There's food everywhere. All right, nice quick short one for you. Have a good day. See you in the next one.